Because what if she falls at a weird angle?
She's a cat.
And?
They always land.
No, they don't.
They always land butter side up.
They don't. She once landed on her side.
It's full of styrofoam.
Oh, good shot.
She's like, the fuck is in there? Now set her straight. She's like, the fuck did you do to my perch?
I'll be right back. I have to go pee. Are you still recording?
I thought she was gonna fall in the box.
She is.
Look, she don't trust you. Look, she's like, what are you doing?
She's like, bitch, don't even.
She made me and Reiku.
Tiamat!
You'll fall in, yeah.
Did she finally fall in?
No, she freaking knocked it over.
She's so close to falling in.
You just want to put her in a box, don't you?
Feel really bad. Poor kitty.
She's like, it's like quicksand.
I want to take her out now. I feel really bad.
There's styrofoam in there.
All the way up?
Yeah. That's why I told you she wouldn't fall that far.
That's what she's sitting right now?
Yeah.